Hey babes, it's Deme B, and this is Tipsy Upon Arrival. I got to stay at 2 hotels during my trip to Houston, Texas, and I wanted to be able to share both of them with you. I didn't share as much as the room as I wanted to because I recorded after we were a bit messy, but you'll get the picture. First up is going to be my hotel that I stayed at in downtown Houston, so check it out.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on...
Today I'm going to be sharing with you my king room with a city view at the Cambria Hotel Houston Downtown Convention Center. This hotel is decorated beautifully and it's so chic, perfect for your next trip to Houston. So I hope you enjoy this room tour.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I don't know. You got it, the thing that makes me put the guys go crazy. They lose their minds the way you want.
Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you never miss any of my videos, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you and happy traveling.